Sunny Bunny ventures across an ancient wooden bridge. The bridge begins to vanish behind her. Racing against time as the bridge disappears. A mysterious golden light beckons from ahead. Fox Guardian appears with a magical lantern. Sunny reaches safety, catching her breath. Fox explains the bridge's ancient magic. Journeying deeper into the enchanted forest. A magical arch appears at the cliff's edge. Stepping through the portal together, a hidden magical valley reveals itself. The magical bridge reforms, connecting worlds.